it's me again. Yeah, it's not COVID. I'm going to show you the last. This will be probably the second to last video on the Fisher Price clock. What I did was I installed the original looking red button. There's no hands on it. It's basically glued in place. I put screws on it. I didn't finish gluing this part and then taking the bottom off, gluing it. I did glue the original windy up thing in the back, which got some glue on it. Other than that, if you look at it, it's a working clock. See? Little clock mechanisms right in there. Basically, I pried these up in the previous video and came up pretty good. It's not bad. Everybody likes it. I thought it's for a. I think I paid $2 or $3 for it in what do you call it? Quechee, Vermont. Or no, I bought it in New Hampshire at an antique place. And the lady's like, well, you know, one of the little red hands was busted. I was like, you know what? Maybe I could put a real clock in there. I looked at it. There's a video of me chiseling out the inside. I skipped it, but I'm not going to do another video just putting glue here, and hammering this thing down. Like, what's the point? But I thought I'd show you the finished product. It's just an old thing, and I got a clock for my store. That's it, pretty much. I'll take a store video and I'll put it on my other channel also. So that's the latest thing I finished. I had to do it at my house because it was too cold in here last couple of weeks. I knew the glue wouldn't stick, and there was a few things that were iffy. So thank goodness for a hot glue gun. So stay tuned and keep watching.